So I bought a Ford Bronco. Love it, except for one thing. It annoys the living daylights out of me. And it's these pinch welds along the bottom. I'm going to get rid of that. Now, no matter what you do, you could put side steps, rocker guards, you still see those pinch welds. Jeeps have them too, which they're really annoying. But today, we're going to fix that. Check this out. I bought a set of pinch weld covers. All right, it seems pretty self-explanatory. I think I can handle this. I don't know. I don't have a phone holder, so I'm going to go out there and attempt this. Hopefully I get it right. Okay, so it's pretty much straightforward. I did have to take these two bolts out and reuse them, as the ones that are equipped do not fit that spot. I don't know if I'm happy with this kind of eBay stuff, you know. It's, I think I'm going to have to get some double stick tape for this behind here, because that, you know, that's going to rattle, so let me go get some double stick tape. All right, well, it's complete. It does look good. I did get some double stick tape behind there. As you can see, it doesn't rattle. It's on there secure, some waterproof double stick tape. I will get some touch-up paint for those two front bolts when I go to the hardware store, and we'll cover them up. Now, yeah, I'll get a single step that comes out, you know, but at least I won't see these silly pinch welds that they, you know, the factory for some reason doesn't cover up on Jeeps too. So even Jeeps, they have it. And even if you have the side step, you can see through it and still see it. And it drives me crazy. It just, this looks much cleaner. I could have gotten a better set, in my opinion. This I got off eBay. I paid like $60 for the kit. There's other kits out there that are a little more, like 100, 200. I just figured this is whatever. I give it a shot. It seems to be okay. If I hear any noise or any rattling, off it goes. But it looks pretty good to me. It gives it a much cleaner look on the side of the vehicle. Anyway, if you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to do some things with this bad boy. We're going to do some things with this bad boy. Oh, stick around. Did you honestly think I wouldn't show you the finished product? Look at how much better this side of the Bronco looks. How cool is that? No more ugly pinch welds.